Hello again. So now I'm going to recapitulate the first part of the second part of our class about when we fork someone's repository, which basically means that we copy that repository to our own GitHub account, and then we clone that repository from our GitHub account into our computer, which basically means again that we copied the repository to our computer. However, note that cloning the repository is very different from just downloading it. If you just download it, like by downloading the zip file on GitHub, you'll get the files, but you don't get the Git repository itself. There's no tracking changes there. So you really need to clone it. Anyways, we cloned the repository, then we did some changes, and then we pushed again into our GitHub repository, the remote. And this is how you are going to submit your homework from now on, including this homework for this class. So let me show you how we do that again. So I've given you a link on Slack. This the link to this Marta Matos user homework repository. To fork, we just go here and click fork. You can see that fork your own copy of Marta Matos homework to your account. So let's do this. It's working. So now I'm in my other fake account, Marta Matos, and I have this homework repository that I forked from Marta Matos. And now I'm going to clone this into my computer. So I'm going to get the link here. I'm copying, and I'm going again to my desktop folder so that you can see everything happening. And I'm going to do git clone and pasting the link to the repository that I forked in Marta Matos account. I'm cloning. You see that the folder shows up there. Yeah, everything seems to have worked out. There are no errors here. I'll first go inside the folder, very important part. So cd homework ls. We see that there's a few folders in there. And so we are going to submit the Git homework. So I'm just going to go, well, first I'll do a Git status, as usual. I'm on branch master. It's up to date with origin master. This means that basically what I have on my master branch locally on my computer is up to date with whatever is on GitHub. So let's go into the Git folder. Let's see what's inside. There's Marta homework. But I want to add another file with another homework, just like in this class. So I'll add the Marta second homework, and yeah, there you go. Git status, and so you see there's an untracked file now. I'm going to add it just like I did before. And I'm going to commit added Marta's second git homework, and as usually, one file change, 0 insertions, 0 deletions, doing another git status. And now we see that it says your branch is ahead of origin master by 1 commit. Use git push to publish your local commits. So what this means is that we have one more commit in our computer than we have on GitHub in the master branch, and if we want to update the master branch in the GitHub, we just need to do git push. But I'm going to do my homework first, and so I'm going to open my file, mark the second homework, and this is my homework. Just adding up some food I ate today. And I'm going to stop here before. Well, I'll start typing food. Never mind. What did I eat today? I ate some tomatoes, I ate some bread, I ate some rice, I ate some yogurts. And let's stop here for now. So I'm going to do git status. And again, I have changes that are not staged for commit. So I'm going to use git as to update what will be committed. And git status again. Changes to be committed. I'm going to do my commit. Added my second homework. My second git homework. There you go. Let's just check the log. Yeah, there's the first commit as usual. There's added Marta's second git homework with a typo, and then added my second git homework. Yeah, this last commit is actually not a really good commit message. It's pretty much like the previous one, but let's continue. I actually forgot some stuff that I ate more than this today. More different stuff. What did I eat? I ate cheese. I ate a lot of veggies. Spinach, carrots. Let's stop here again. Saving my file. Doing git status. Again. Need to add the file to be committed. Do my commit. Added some more. Added cheese and 2 veggies that I ate today. And run file change, 3 insertions, git status, nothing to commit, directory clean. But wait, I actually didn't eat rice, I ate potatoes instead, so let me just substitute this. Git status again. Okay, modified as usually, but not staged for commit. Let me just see what changed there actually. The second homework, and you can see that rice was removed and potatoes was added. And I'm going to add the file to be committed, and I'm going to commit the changes. Removed rice and added potatoes. And git status, then git log. You don't need to always do git status and git log. I'm just trying to show you what's happening. And I cannot see this very well anymore, so I'm going to use a one line thingy. Okay, I think this is enough commits. I think my homework is pretty good by now. I'm going to push this into the Git repository, and to do that I'm just going to do git status, and you see, like, it says that my branch is ahead of origin master, which means the master branch in the GitHub repository, by 4 commits. So I did 4 commits on my computer that I haven't pushed into the GitHub repository. And it says here, use git push to publish your local commits, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to push my local commits into the GitHub repository. So I'm going to do git push. Oh, there's something here, so warning. Push.default is unset, its implicit value has changed. Okay. In the class I taught you a different way of doing this. Because and it was git push origin master. So that I know that I'm pushing to origin and I'm pushing to the master branch. And I don't think this will give me an error, so let's see. exactly, it's not giving an error. And the previous one was because the implicit thing that Git does apparently depends on the version. So let's use git push origin master to be more explicit and be on the safe side. So this is my username, the password, nothing ever shows up there. And yep, no errors, seems to have worked. Let's go check the GitHub repository. Let's reload the page. Okay, here's a commit. Removes rice and other potatoes. Nice commit. And here's my file, and here's the content, the same as I have here. So there you go. This was the second part of the class, and that's how you end in your homework from now on. More detailed instructions will follow, and that's it. Hope you understood.